Welcome to the brand new 2025 GMC Sierra 2500HD AT4X in sterling metallic. This truck is powered by a 6.6 liter Duramax turbo diesel, bolted up to a 10-speed Allison automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the AT4X, starting off on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power locks, windows, and folding sliding and adjustable mirrors, electronic parking brake, button-activated trailer and driving modes, automatic headlights and fog lights toggle, heads-up display controls, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, full digital gauge cluster, heads-up display I previously mentioned, steering column shifter, 13.4-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, push-to-start ignition, dual-zone climate control, integrated trailer braking can be found here in the center console, Bose audio all throughout the vehicle, and the rear-view mirror camera. Taking a look at the exterior of the Sierra, starting off with the 18-inch wheels paired up with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Moving on, we have paint-matched door handles, AT4X HD badges on the doors, gloss black mirror caps with LED turn signals, Duramax and Allison plaques on the fenders. Around the front of the vehicle, GMC badge in the center of the grille, AT4X badge in the grille as well, red recovery hooks, LED daytime running lights and headlights, LED overcab lighting. Back down the side of the vehicle, this truck is remote start equipped and has keyless entry, rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around, automatic step assist come when the doors are opened and retract once the doors are closed. Side steps are built into both sides of the box. At the back of the vehicle, we have clear taillights, side steps built into both sides of the bumper, towing package is installed, single exit exhaust, AT4X, Sierra, and GMC badges can all be found here on the Multi-Pro tailgate. Heading back inside the Sierra, back seats here have in-seat storage. They are also car seat ready and come in a 60-40 split. Cup holders come down here in the middle. Rear power sliding window. Bose audio continues throughout the back of the truck, and here in the center console we have 2 cup holders, heated seats controls, and 2 USB charging ports. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the brand new 2025 GMC Sierra 2500HD AT4X. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.